Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets. First we use black color and the next one is red color, blue color, yellow color, green color. Kids, first we draw the letter of A and now we use the color of black. Now we draw the letter of A for apple, A for ant. Kids, now we draw B. B for ball, B for bat. We again use black color. Now we draw C. C for cow, C for cat. Now we draw the letter of D. D for dog, D for doll. And the next one is E. E for egg. We again use black color. Now we draw F. F for fish, F for fan. Now we draw the letter of G. G for gorilla. Kids, now we use red color. The color of red. Now we use red color. The letter of H. Now we draw H. H for hand. And the next one is I. I for ice cream. J for jackfruit. Kids, we again use red color. And now we draw the letter of K. K for kite. The next one is L. L for lion. Now we draw M. And the next one is N. N for nose, N for nest. Now we use blue color. The color of blue. Kids, now we draw the letter of O. O for octopus. And the next one is P. P for parrot. We again use blue color. Now we draw the letter of Q. Q for queen. And the next one is R. R for rose, R for rice. We again use blue color. Now we draw the letter of S. S for snake. Kids, the next one is T. T for tiger. Now we draw U. U for umbrella. Now we draw the letter of V. And the next one is W. W for wolf. Kids, we again use blue color. The color of blue. Now we draw X. X for X-ray. The next one is Y. Y for yolk. And the last one is Z. Kids, subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.